Hi, I'm Riya, a small town girl with a big dream to speak English fluently and confidently. A year ago, I couldn't even introduce myself properly in English. Whenever someone spoke in English, I felt nervous and stayed silent. But deep down, I promised myself, one day, I'll speak English confidently. So I started small. Every morning, I stood in front of the mirror and practiced simple sentences like, "Hello, my name is Riya. I'm learning English. I'm confident." At first, it felt awkward, but I didn't give up. I began watching YouTube channels like MrEnglishGuide, listened to English podcasts, and repeated what I heard. I also started reading one page of an English book daily and noted down new words. Every night, I spoke to myself in English about my day, my plans, my dreams. Slowly, words started flowing easily. Now, after months of daily practice, I speak English fluently. I can talk with anyone without fear. My friends often ask, "Riya, how did you become so confident?" And I smile and say, "Practice, patience, and belief in yourself. If I can do it, you can too." Start today, one word at a time, and one day, you'll speak like a pro.